In this video, I'll show you how to get a VPN on Steam Deck step by step. If you're looking to use a VPN on your Steam Deck, the VPN I recommend is NordVPN. And in this tutorial, we'll use NordVPN to set everything up. You can find the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. The Steam Deck supports WireGuard by default, but using the TunnelDeck plugin adds OpenVPN support, which works perfectly with NordVPN. First, make sure Decky Loader is installed. Open the Decky store and install the TunnelDeck plugin. Then, switch to desktop mode. Log into your NordVPN account with your email and password. Once logged in, scroll down to the Manual Setup section. This is where you can download the configuration files you'll need. Choose the country you want to connect to, for example, the United Kingdom, and download the OpenVPN UDP file for faster performance. Next, on the NordVPN website, locate your service credentials. These are separate from your regular login, so copy them and keep them safe. Now, open System Settings on your Steam Deck. On the left-hand side, click Network. Then go to the Connections section. You'll see your current Wi-Fi or Ethernet connections. Click the ++ button to add a new connection. Scroll down and select Import VPN Connection. Then click Create. Locate and open the configuration file you downloaded from NordVPN. When prompted to copy certificates, click Yes. Once the VPN is added, rename it to something easy to remember, like NordVPN Netherlands. Enter your NordVPN username and password, and make sure the password storage is set to store for all users. This is important because Steam Deck uses the root user for network connections. Finally, click Apply. Return to gaming mode. Open the Quick Access menu by tapping the three-dot button. In the TunnelDeck plugin list, select your new VPN connection and tap to connect. Once connected, all your internet traffic will be routed through the VPN. To verify it's working, open a browser and search What's My IP. You should see a new IP from the country you connected to. You can switch between different VPN locations the same way, depending on which content or services you want to access. And that's how you get a VPN on your Steam Deck using NordVPN and TunnelDeck. Don't forget to check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.